This is how we can participate in healing the world by healing ourselves and raise the vibration of humanity. You know, it's like by raising our own vibration. Okay, what's up? Just gonna share whatever comes to mind. I have no plan, no idea what I'm gonna say. And I'm standing here on a rooftop in Da Nang. Just got upgraded from my 201, floor 2, apartment 1, to 602. So now, numerology wise, I went from number 3 to number 8. Number 3 looking like a half 8. Looking like almost an 8, just the missing links to create the flow, just kind of creating the channels, basically preparing. And they say 3 is the number of becoming in some traditions, and 8 is the flow, it's the abundance. Now the energy has to go through the channels. Now there has to be some expression, some output, and this is what this is, what I'm doing exactly now. So yeah, this is my challenge now, is to put myself out there, is to make myself visible, allow myself to be seen, allow myself to participate more with life, with the world, and through channels like internet is part of that also. And yeah, I've been hiding, avoiding a lot in my life, and it's been hard to see that and knowing that and still doing it for quite some time. And also exciting about this new step that I am taking, that it takes its time. I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to the idea. I am practicing making content, like talking into a camera. Yeah. So anyway, this is a beginning of something new for me, this channel, and maybe something new for you as well, if you want to subscribe and join and follow and see how this is gonna evolve. So this channel is basically just a reminder, gonna be just expressing my perspectives on things, insights, some tips and tricks, probably some free courses on like meditation and reprogramming the subconscious mind. Might do some challenges and work one-on-one or in group with people. And this channel is to create the possibility of all of this, where we can like work together and create something even greater. And that excites me very much. And I feel there is a great longing in my heart to do this, to connect and start to co-create and to just be of service, basically. Yeah, and also logically I want to create more meditation, more deep, meaningful meetings in my life, which is like nourishing me so much. And when I'm nourished and I feel happy, when I feel love and I feel peace, then I radiate that to everyone around, to the whole world. Like there's no end to it, and this is how we can participate in healing the world by healing ourselves and raise the vibration of humanity. It's like by raising our own vibration, and that happens by letting go of the lower vibration, the attachments to the lower vibration, like the attachment to the idea leading us to feel guilt and shame, for example. So yeah, it's a deep self-investigation on this journey, seeing the fears, meeting the fears, and choosing life, choosing the heart, choosing love, saying yes to ourselves. This is the challenge many of us are facing, because we have like kind of lost the connection to our core, to our soul, and that connection is through self-love. And many of us are not loving ourselves. We have to come back to our center, to our core, to get to know. Self-love, practice self-love. And practicing self-love, enjoy the moment. This is like a quick way to, the simplest way to practice self-love. Enjoy the moment, enjoy your own being. That's like now you're saying yes to yourself, here and now. What's more powerful than that? Say yes to yourself, allow yourself to relax, allow yourself to be who you are, as you are, and allow yourself to go through the things you have to go through. Allow yourself to be sad if you're sad, allow yourself to be angry if you're angry, allow yourself to be silent if you feel silent. The thing is, like, we have to stop running away from it, from what's uncomfortable and what is here. So this is always, when I speak to a camera or to someone else, I know I'm learning to see that this is something for me to hear, and maybe first for me to hear. Anyway. Okay. Let's enjoy the moment. Let's enjoy our own being and just celebrate. The whole nature is celebrating. The whole nature is enjoying. Join in. Let's join in. Let's join in. Okay. See you. Peace. Thank you.